Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here today, and we're going to be talking about the top 3 gun storage solutions for your F-150. So first, head down below, hit subscribe, keep checking out all the other videos we're cranking out, and also follow us on Instagram, and we'll get right into it. So we're out here right now with our 2014 hunting truck build, and we'll have a link below to that if you want to see the full build out on this vehicle. But we're going to go over a couple different ways that you could store rifles in this truck, or any other handguns, different arms that you've got. So one of the first ones that's pretty popular is these Duha storage boxes that go underneath the back seat. And they make these for all the different cab sizes. This is a super cab, but if you've got a super crew, they make ones that fit that as well. So as you can see here, we've got a rifle laid across in it, and this ideally is set up if you want to close the seat. You aren't going to be able to run rifles that have scopes on it, or you're going to have to pull your scope off for it to close. If you are just leaving the seat up and you just want a convenient way to throw the guns in there and you're hunting, real close to your house or whatever, then this is a pretty quick way. You could toss a couple rounds in there, 2 rifles, and be good to go, not have to worry about it as long as you don't need the back seat down. So that's kind of up to you, but it definitely makes for a good storage space. And even if you don't have rifles in here, it's also another place you can throw recovery gear and different tools and items that you've got with you. So for some of you guys, you aren't carrying rifles anywhere, but if you've got handguns and smaller arms, then we do actually have another option that might work a little bit better for you. So we're gonna move around to the front here and take a look at our little storage vault. So up front here in our hunting truck, we've got a bench seat configuration, but these console vaults I'm about to show you come in a lot of different versions. So if you do have a center console or one of the different front seat configurations that Ford offers, you'll be able to find a vault that'll fit. So if you look here, we can pull up on the latch on the front of this seat. And right here is the vault itself. And these little guys are super sturdy. It has a little multi-number combination. You just twist it after you put your combo in to unlock it, and then you have room for a handgun in here, like 1911s and things like that. Some of the smaller Glocks and stuff will fit in, no problem. And it locks from the inside, so once the hatch is closed on this, it would be a real pain to get it out of here, but you also have the peace of mind that it's out of sight and most people aren't gonna be able to look in here and find this anyways. So console vault, definitely a really good option for you guys carrying smaller arms. So around back of our hunting truck here, we have an option for those of you guys who have multiple rifles or are looking for a little bit more serious storage outside of the truck. Basically, this is the decked storage system. And as you can see, we've got our rifle here. You can stuff it into the case. Like we said, this is gonna be pretty ideal if you need a lot of space, because essentially how this works is you have these sliding drawers that pull out. You can actually get these optional locks to lock them to the deck itself. And then also when your tailgate is closed, you can lock that. So you've sort of got 2 lines of defense there. And your rifles can drop right into these tubs. And then that also gives you ability, with your other tub, if you have like some D boxes like this or some dividers, you can store ammo in there or just other tools and equipment that you've got, divide it up, get it really nice and organized. But this does leave you a really nice area to store a couple rifles without having to clutter up the inside of the cab. And it simply locks up like that. You close your tailgate and you're good to go. So that wraps up our top 3 gun storage solutions for the F-150. Like we said, you can find this stuff on our website. Check it out, and we will see you guys next time.